This rust is deep. We need a grinder.
I'll get it. Check the engine bay.
Right. The wiring is burnt. Look at this melted wiring. It's a mess.
Yeah, and the soot here is everywhere.
This soot is thick. It's coming off.
Yeah, but it's working. Look at that.
Almost done here.
The grime is really coming off now.
Yeah, the low pressure wash is perfect.
Let's get the side panels next. This area is really burnt.
Yeah, but the pressure helps.
Okay, keep going.
This rust is stubborn. Keep the pressure up.
Right, the water's loosening the big clumps.
Good. Almost done here. Okay, start from the top. Let's see the corrosion.
On it, the water's revealing the pitting.
Good. Hit that area again.
Looks clean now.
Steady on the left. Watch the paint.
Got it. Looks clean, almost ready.
Good. We'll align the wheels next.
This one's loose now.
Good. Let's pull it.
Careful, it's hot.
Got it. Careful with that heat damage. It's fragile.
Got it. This part looks really bad.
Let's check the wiring next.
Okay, good idea. The leather is completely charred.
Yes, and the dashboard has deep cracks.
The wiring here is exposed.
Careful with that panel.
I know. This whole seat is fused.
Okay, ready? Lift on 3.
Ready.
This rust is tough.
Keep going. I'll wipe it.
Almost clear.
Good.
This rust is tough.
Keep going. I'll wipe it.
Almost clear.
Good.
Sand this area first. Use steady pressure.
Okay, I'm on it. It's revealing the metal.
Good. Let's get this corner. Smooth out the edges here.
Yes, the curve is looking smooth.
Good. Edges are clean. Let's align this section.
Okay, pushing it in now.
Good. Now for the weld prep. Okay, holding the torch steady here.
Good. Keep it at a steady speed.
Alright, seam looks clean.
How's the grinding coming along?
Almost done. The surface is blending in perfectly.
Good. Check the alignment there.
Wipe from the center outwards.
Okay, I'm on the hoses.
Good. Now check the valve cover. This hose looks worn. Check the clamps.
Yes, the belt tension is fine.
Good. Now the connectors.
This one is secure.
Hand me that bolt.
Here it is.
Okay, torque it to spec.
Done. Perfect fit.
Let's check the gap here.
It's a bit tight. Try pushing.
Okay, how's that?
Perfect. Looks good.
This section is prepped. How's the curve?
Almost there. Just a bit more smoothing.
Great. Let's check the alignment. Starting on the door now.
Okay, I'll do the panel next.
Looks even. Keep it steady. The prime coat is curing well.
Yes, it looks smooth. Ready for sanding.
Good. Let's check the underside. Panel alignment looks good.
Yes, no orange peel.
Surface is smooth. We're good. Start with even passes. Watch the edges.
Got it. Looks smooth.
Good. Keep the gun steady.
Will do.
Alright, second layer. Keep it even.
Got it. The gloss is building nicely.
Perfect. Just a bit more here.
Make sure to get even coverage.
Got it. Looks good.
The reflections are forming.
Perfect. Keep going. The paint looks smooth. Let's check the front.
Yes, the finish is even. No orange peel.
Perfect. Let it cure now. This section is looking great.
Yes, the gloss is really coming back. Look at this curve. The reflection is incredible.
Yeah, the clarity is great. Let's get this edge.
Perfect. It's shining.
Hand me the trim tool.
Here it is. Press down.
Got it. Looks aligned.
Perfect. Let's check the seat.
This bracket goes right here.
Okay, and I'll connect this hose.
Great. Now tighten that bolt.
This Ferrari is absolutely stunning.
Yeah, it really shines. Great work.
Just this last spot.
Got it.
Wipe the wheel clockwise to get that shine.
Yeah, the reflections are looking great.
Good. Now check the exhaust.
Looks perfect. Check the torque on these bolts.
They're good. What's next?
Let's check the alignment next.
Okay, I'll grab the tool.
The front alignment looks good.
Yes, but let's check the engine.
Opening it now.
Perfect. Thank you. Check the engine diagnostics.
Running the scan now.
Monitor the pressure gauge.
It's stable. Check the fuel pressure.
It's stable at 3 bar.
Good. Check the injectors. Hand me the wrench.
Here you go.
Thanks. This bolt is tight.
Let me try. Checking the engine status.
Looks good. Now the RPM.
The needle is steady.
Good. Let's check the fuel. The stitching on this seat is perfect. A great job.
Yes, the leather feels refreshed and smooth.
Exactly. It looks like new. Check the climate controls.
They are set to auto.
Good. Let's check the audio next.
Okay.
Check the intake manifold torque.
It's within spec. Polishing the block now.
Good. I'll clean the hoses. The front suspension is independent, double wishbones.
Yes, and it uses electronic damping.
Exactly. The rear is similar.
Lens is crystal clear, no haze.
Agreed. Reflector looks pristine.
Bulb connection secure?
Yes, all tight. Perfect. This tail light looks good. We just need to polish it.
Right. I'll start on this side.
Perfect. Almost done.
Looks great.
Tire tread looks good.
Yes. Let me check the caliper.
Disc has no scoring.
All good.
The mirror's alignment is spot on.
Yes, and the handle's finish is smooth.
Good. Let's check the trim next. Check the front alignment.
On it, the rear is clean.
Good. Polish the headlights next.
Apply even pressure.
Got it. Looks great.
Check the edges now.
Almost done. Check the oil level in the engine.
Okay, and the tire pressure too.
Right. And the brake fluid.
Got it.
Check this intake here.
Yes, it looks clogged.
Let's clean it out. Okay, I'll get the tool. The intake valve is misaligned.
Right, we need to recalibrate the sensors.
Exactly. Let's check the logs. Alignment is spot on.
Yes, and the finish is perfect.
Agreed. Let's confirm the grille.
Confirmed, it's ready.
The alignment on the front bumper looks solid.
Agreed. Let's check the engine mounts.
Right. Opening it.
Perfect.
Check the alignment on this side skirt.
Looks good. Just a small smudge here.
Hand me the wrench.
Here it is.
Thanks. Now the bolts.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's check the front alignment.
Okay, and I'll check the rear wheel.
Good. The body looks perfect.
Agreed.
Hand me that tensioner tool.
Here, how's the torque?
Perfect. Almost done.